Hey y'all, welcome to the official Bibe Media Group YouTube channel. Well, we take the stress out of print marketing and event branding. If you've ever struggled with ordering print materials, felt overwhelmed trying to figure out the difference between a design file and a logo, or just want to make sure that your branding is top tier for your next event, you are in the right place. I'm Dia, your go-to print consultant and marketing strategist. I created this channel because I have seen firsthand how confusing the print process can be for business owners, event curators, and entrepreneurs. So I'm here to break it all down step by step so you don't waste time, money, or energy on print mistakes. On this channel, you'll find videos on how to properly prepare a design file for printing, when to place a print order for your event so you're not scrambling around at the last minute, what types of print materials will make the most impact for your brand, and so much more. So if you want to make your brand memorable with high quality print materials, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you'll never miss a video. Got a question? Drop it in the comments and I might just make a video about it. All right, so let's get into it. Welcome to Bibe Media Group's YouTube channel. See you on the next video.